DUI license suspension. Please let us know in the comment section below. Let us know what you think regarding the subject matter at hand. So let's see here. Rubí Monzón asks, I worked in a bar selling liquor. After the day, I had a couple of beers. I got a DUI. Time passed, I did everything required by the law. Then they gave me another DUI. My question is, how long will my license be suspended for my second DUI? Well, there are a couple of problems with the second DUI. First of all, were you still on probation for your first DUI? The reason is because if you were still on probation for your first DUI, this could be a violation of probation. And that will be pretty serious, because if you violate probation for your first DUI, you're looking at up to 6 months in the county jail. That's separate from the criminal case that you have for the second DUI, which under California Vehicle Code Section 23152 carries up to 1 year in county jail. Now, the suspension of your license for a second DUI within 10 years will take place for about, I'd say, a year. Yes, you'll get a year-long suspension. And not only that, but you'll have to do DUI school for 18 months. And you'll not be able to get a restricted license during that year. It's a hard suspension. You cannot drive for a year. If it was your first offense only, it's a 6-month suspension, but after 1 month suspension, you can get a restricted license to be able to drive from home to work and other necessities. But when it comes to a second suspension, oh no. Unless you could show that you have a critical need to drive because you live in the country somewhere, then in that situation, in that very rare situation, you would be able to get a restricted license. But if you live in a city, there's buses, nope, they're not going to care how difficult it is. If they believe it's possible for you to be able to live your life, they're not going to give you a restricted license. But yeah, it's going to be a 1-year suspension. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and you need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got in trouble for hitting the police. Have a good day.